Screen recorders are valuable for creating tutorials, presentations, and sharing information visually. There are lots of free screen recorders available, but some stand out due to their robust screen capturing and editing features with no hidden costs, watermarks, or time restrictions. In this video, we will explore 5 of the best free screen recorders. In Windows 11, the built-in Snipping Tool now includes a screen recording feature. It can record audio along with your screen capture, and supports both system audio and microphone input. It's simple to use. You can choose the area of the screen you want to record or the whole screen, and then click on the Start button to begin the screen and audio recording. The updated Snipping Tool is only available for Windows 11, and you won't have access to these new features if you're using Windows 10. Windows 10 uses the older Snipping Tool, which is mainly designed for capturing static screenshots and doesn't include a screen recording feature. While Snipping Tool is simple to use, it lacks some of the advanced features found in third-party screen recorders. OBS Studio is a video recording and streaming tool that allows users to record their screen or webcam. You can record videos locally for later editing or stream to platforms like YouTube. It's free and open source and comes with no watermarks or time limits. You record your screen by creating scenes and adding a display capture source to capture your whole screen or a specific window. You can also adjust recording settings, like output path and video format, and it supports high-performance real-time audio and video capture and multiple audio sources. Compared to other screen recorders, it presents a steeper learning curve, but this can be overcome with online tutorials and guides. Since it's open source, there's a large community creating plugins, scripts, and themes to expand its capabilities. ShareX is a free and open-source screen recorder that allows you to record any area of your screen, including full screen, specific windows, or custom regions. There are no watermarks, time limits, or hidden fees. You can configure settings like video and audio encoders, byte rates, and even set a delay before the recording starts. After you've recorded your screen, you can annotate it with various tools, like arrows, text, lines, and more. ShareX also allows you to customize quick shortcuts, set the destination folders for saved recordings, and upload files to destinations, including social media, file sharing services, and more. FreeCam is a screen recording software for Windows that allows you to capture your on-screen activity, including a specific window, a selected area, or the entire screen. The free version allows for basic screen recording with no watermarks or time restrictions, audio recording, and basic video editing, like trimming and removing noise. The Pro version adds advanced features like webcam recording, higher video resolution, annotations, and the ability to insert shapes, music, pictures, text, and transitions. FlashBack Recorder can record the entire screen, a specific window, or a selected area. There are 2 versions of FlashBack Recorder. FlashBack Express is the free version, mainly designed for capturing screen, webcam, and audio without any time limits or watermarks, and offers basic annotation tools and highlighting areas of interest. It's suitable for basic tasks, like recording tutorials. FlashBack Pro is the paid version, which also includes editing tools for video and audio files, such as cutting and rearranging clips. It combines recording and editing capabilities into one application. If you want to stay up to date with more insightful content like this, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To receive notifications whenever our channel posts new content, you can also click on the bell icon.